For decades, we've been told one thing about strong bones. Drink your milk. But is dairy truly the only answer, or have we been missing a bigger picture? Calcium is undoubtedly crucial. It's the primary building block for our bones, giving them their strength and structure, almost like the steel beams in a skyscraper. But here's the twist. Simply consuming calcium isn't enough. Our bodies need a crucial partner to absorb it effectively: vitamin D. Without enough vitamin D, much of the calcium we eat can pass right through us, never making it to our bones where it's desperately needed. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are indeed rich in calcium and often fortified with vitamin D, making them a convenient source. However, a growing body of research suggests that dairy isn't the sole or superior path to bone health. Many cultures thrive with strong bones on very little dairy. In fact, numerous plant-based foods offer excellent calcium, often alongside other beneficial nutrients like fiber and antioxidants. So, what are these powerful plant alternatives? Think dark, leafy greens like kale and collard greens, packed with easily absorbable calcium. Fortified plant milks, almond, soy, oat, are another fantastic option, often containing as much or even more calcium and vitamin D than cow's milk. Don't forget calcium-set tofu, sesame seeds, chia seeds, and certain beans. These are all bone-building heroes waiting to join your plate. And remember vitamin D! Get safe sun exposure, eat fatty fish, or consider fortified cereals and supplements, especially in darker months. Ultimately, strong bones aren't built on a single food group, but on a diverse, nutrient-rich diet that provides ample calcium, vitamin D, and other minerals. It's about making informed choices and embracing a wide array of foods. So, if you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more green plate insights.